Is it better for you to choose a machine for your exercises or free weights? Let's settle that debate today. So depending on what you're going to try to achieve in the gym, there's going to be benefits to actually both of using these modalities. So for instance, if you're having a really hard time getting into the gym and you're fairly a beginner, a machine might actually not be the worst thing for you to choose. Reason being is because the machine is already going to articulate your joints in a certain pathway that the machine is designed for. That way, if you're very much of a novice lifter, it's going to be very hard for yourself to put yourself in a position of injury or harm. On the other hand, you'll actually find more advanced lifters actually go towards using machines, especially bodybuilders, because you don't really have to worry about fatigue as you near the end of your set or your workout. You can really push to failure and not worry about the stability aspect, but still put the stress on your tissues in which you want to do in order to build muscle. And lastly, these machines are especially designed to target the muscles that you're trying to build. So for example, this incline machine press is really good at aiming at building and isolating his pec muscles. Now, if you choose the exact same exercise in a free weight version, it is going to require a little bit more skill and ramp up till you know how to do them really well. But the benefit of that is being able to make slight modification. So for example, if Julian's shoulders cannot handle a certain angle of press, he's able to bring his elbows a little bit closer to his side or flare them a little bit more open. It has that variability to allow him to be a little bit more custom. The next thing is when you're doing a specific exercise like an incline chest press, not only the pecs are being isolated when you're doing free weights, you're going to actually have to use the accessory supporting muscles around it, like the rotator cuff, deltoids, etc., to actually get a little bit of work in as well. This might make it a little bit more transferable to other functional things in your daily life or even your own sport. So in summary, there might be actually a benefit of doing both, maybe even in the same workout. So for example, if you're doing a bodybuilding workout, you might want to start off with something like free weights. And when you get really fatigued, you can even continue to push yourself on a machine. But if you're going to be transferring this movement into a sport or something that's more functional in your daily life, you might want to choose something that requires more stability and coordination like your free weights. If you like that video and you like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.